everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we will see channel messages from your future spouse. There are two piles, you can select any one of them, whichever you like. The first one is blue stone, second one is pink stone. You can meditate on these objects and select one of them. Thank you so much. Hi, pile number 1. If you have chosen this blue stone, this is your reading. Let's see what are the channel messages from your future spouse. So these are your cards: 7 of Wands, Knight of Wheels, 10 of Wands, 8 of Cups, Judgment, 9 of Swords, Ace of Swords, New Love. So let's start with your reading. Babe, I want you to protect from the people who are or will be against our relationship. I will fight for our connection. My family is so demanding that I'm feeling like a scapegoat. Right now, I'm working on myself. I'm making money for us so that we can elope and create our own family. I have been hurt in the past badly. My burdens are weighing me down. I am burdened out right now, but I will overcome all the struggles to be with you, baby. I have awakened. My soul is searching for you, my love. When I meet you, please do not judge me or my past. I want you to support me. You are my reflection, darling. I am losing my sleep over you. I can see you in my dreams. Sometimes I am at my breaking point that I will not be able to find you, and it's a nightmare for me. But I'm coming out of isolation and will start a new beginning with you. I have many secrets and bad, evil past. Please accept me for who I am. When we will meet, I will tell you the truth. I wanted to hug you, love you. You take care of you, babe. I'm attracted to you. I wanted to be a honest husband and a wife. I'm coming to take you in my arms and love you forever. I love you till my last breath, baby. I know I'm a new love in your life, simple and worthy. I don't know if you will accept me or not, but I guess eventually you will choose me and forget your past and never compare me with anyone else. I will give you the world. I will give you every inch of me. We will move out together and we'll make our small family, babe. I love you so much. Take care. I miss you. So this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you enjoyed, please heads up a thumbs up on my video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you. Let's heads up to pile number 2. Welcome back, pile number 2. If you have chosen this pink stone, this is your reading. Channel messages from your future spouse. So let's go ahead with your cards. I hope you can see your cards. The first card is 7 of Cups, Devil, 2 of Swords, 10 of Cups, High Priestess, Ace of Wands, the Lovers and Trust. So let's move ahead with your reading. Baby, yesterday I had a dream and you are the one who is my favorite cup out of those 7 cups. Daydreaming about you. You know what, I have so many options, but you are the emotional one I am looking for. First time I ever saw you, all my chakras started dancing. I have oppressed these feelings for several years, but now I will reveal my passion for you. I am obsessed and addicted to you. I can't control my feelings for you. I cry for you. I wanted to get married to you as soon as possible. But sometimes I think that you will put me in crossroads if I express my feelings. You are like a goddess diva to me. Your beauty is astonishing and mesmerizing. Your moon face reminds me of my mom. You can give me love, nurture me, make me a better person, and I know that from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to give you my world. I wanted to be your wand of love, lust, and passion. You are my love, my lover, my forever love. I don't know what else to say. Let's party, laugh, drink, and make fun of each other. Let's do pillow fights and make up sex. You know what? Your beauty makes me insane. You and your smile, dimples, innocence make me go crazy day by day. You are like my family, my 10 of cups. You can fulfill me, darling. You can complete me in every way. I can't stop staring at your eyes. They are so big and beautiful and like an ocean. I wanted to dive deep into that so that I can always be there forever. Trust me, I'm coming to take you away from all the bullshits that you're facing right now. Love you madly and deeply, baby. I miss you. So, this was your reading for pile number 2. I hope you like it. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.